Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on this Windows button. And after clicking on the Windows button, as you can see, you will get this Microsoft Store option here. So we have to open this app. And after opening this app, you will be able to get the interface like this. Now we have to click on this search bar here. So I'm going to click on this search bar. And then simply we have to write the Adobe. We have to write the full name here. For example, I'm going to write the whole name. Adobe Acrobat, we have to write this. So as you can see, after writing the name, you will get the suggestions like this. For example, I want this one. You have to choose that which one you want. For example, I want this one. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, it will be opened. So as you can see now, the Adobe Acrobat Reader is opened here. Now, if you want to check out the preview, you can also do that. The details are also provided here. You can check out the reviews as well. And after that, simply we have to click on the install. And after clicking on the install, the installation process will be started. And after that, you will be able to use this. So in this way, you can download the Adobe Acrobat Reader on your PC, on your laptop. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.